You should take a good look at your credit reports at least once a year. This is the document that will have all of your personal and financial information on it. You will have to be aware of all the information so that you can change the mistakes or the wrong information that is on it. There are ways to fight these mistakes and you can repair your credit when you do this. Credit repair tip number 1: change what you can. Figure out what you can change about your credit report. Think about the different ways that you can turn your bad credit scores into good ones. Are you paying your bills on time? Do you have too much debt? What are you going to do about it? If you are willing to make the changes that are needed, you will have a better chance at improving your credit. Credit repair tip number 2: create and follow a bill payment system. Figure out a good bill paying system and stick to it. You should make a record of all your bills and when they need to be paid. As you pay them, you can check them off. This will help you keep track of what you paid, and what still needs paid. You will be paying them on time, and this will help to eliminate your debt in all categories. Credit repair tip number 3: get help if you need it. You can ask for help with your credit repair when you need it. There are debt counseling programs that are designed to help you with your debt. These debt solutions are going to improve your way of life as well. They can teach you how to use your credit wisely and to make good decisions. These decisions will affect your life and make your credit report improve as well. Credit repair tip number 4: earn extra money to pay down debts. If you have anything that you can sell off, it may be the time to do it. You can use the money that you get from the items that you sell to pay off credit debt. This is a great way to decrease your debt with money that you earn free and clear. You should try to do this as often as you can.